This weather for today in my village Creek, Rawlakot, Azad, Kashmir. As you can see the sky, it's very foggy. Now you cannot see the views of Rawlakot city over there. It's already covered by this foggy and it's very cold. Today is January 1, 2026. By the way, welcome 2026. And thank you everything for all the blessings for the whole year of 2025. And today is Thursday. Time check Pakistan time is 9 a.m. As you can see, it's very cold and it's foggy. It's foggy day. Ayan oh. It's like snow. And last night it's already start raining last night until morning. Yan. Yan, oh. Wala ka nang makitang mga bahay-bahay. Oh. Yung doon sa Rawlakot City, wala kang makita doon na mga buildings, oh. Kasi na covered ng foggy. It's like snow. Ayan. Oh, 'yon yung sikat ng araw lumalabas. Ang lamig, super lamig. Ganito pag winter dito sa Pakistan. Yan oh. Ay, ang lamig, ang lamig. Ayan, tingnan nyo itong mga itong basa-basa ko kasi umulan. Ayan, buti naman at umulan para bawasan yung dry ng lupa. As you can see the grasses, it's already dried. Ayan oh. Before ito yung mga grasses dito ay green na green, but by this time it's already dry na siya oh. Pag winter kasi nagda-dry talaga siya. And then pati yung mga puno, yung mga leaves, makakalbo yan. Tingnan nyo yung mga puno, wala nang mga dahon. Nakalbo na. Oh. Except itong mga pine trees, remain lang yan siya na na may mga leaves. Yan oh. Oh. Ito naman yung wild black persimmons. Dami pang bunga oh. Oh. Ang lamig. Hello everyone, welcome 2026 and goodbye 2025. Thank you so much for all the blessings for the whole year of 2025 and welcome 2026. I hope this year 2026 will be good and more blessings to come. Today is January 1 and today is Thursday. Pakistan time is 2 p.m. As you can see the weather, it's very bad. Temperature is very cold, 10 degrees centigrade. As you can see over there, it's a foggy. And little bit raining also here in our village of Creek, Rawlakot. Today morning I make video but that time is very foggy, but by this time as you can see the sky. Now time check is 2 p.m. and little bit raining is coming here. Yeah, as you can see. So it's very cold and temperature in our village Creek, Rawlakot is 10 degrees centigrade. Ayan oh. It's very cold.